You're probably making this one spring fashion mistake that's aging you instantly if you're over 40. 50 and 60. Have you ever put on an outfit, looked in the mirror, and felt like something just isn't right? Not bad. Just not you. You're trying, you're dressing up, but somehow you still look older than you feel. What if I told you it's not your body, it's not your age, it's a few small style mistakes that are quietly adding years to your look? Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Looking elegant and modern after 40, 50, or even 60 is not about buying more clothes. It's about avoiding the subtle mistakes that quietly make your style look outdated. In today's video, I'll show you 7 common spring fashion mistakes that could be aging your look, and what to wear instead to look effortlessly refined, confident, and timeless. Let's start with something many women love: florals. But here's the truth. Not all florals are flattering. Those tiny, crowded, dull-coloured floral prints, they can instantly make your outfit look outdated. Instead of looking fresh and vibrant for spring, they quietly add years to your appearance. And the worst part? Most women don't even realise it's happening. So what should you wear instead? Go for modern florals, larger prints, softer spacing, or even subtle, minimal patterns. Something that feels clean, elevated, and current. Because the right floral doesn't age you. It refreshes you. Let's talk about comfort. Because this is where a lot of women get it wrong. We start choosing oversized, shapeless clothing, thinking it will hide what we don't like. But instead, it hides everything. Your shape, your presence, your elegance. And rather than looking stylish and relaxed, you end up looking lost inside your outfit. The goal is not tight, and it's definitely not baggy. It's structure. Clothes that gently follow your body, define your waist, and create a clean, balanced silhouette. Because when your shape is visible, your confidence becomes visible too. Spring is all about lightness, freshness, renewal. But many women stay stuck in dark, heavy colours. Black, deep brown, dull tones they've worn for years. And while those colours feel safe, they can actually drain the life out of your look. They absorb light instead of reflecting it, making your skin appear dull, tired, and older. Instead, bring light back into your wardrobe. Soft neutrals, warm beiges, gentle pastels. These colours reflect light onto your skin, giving you a natural glow without trying too hard. It's not about being bright, it's about being radiant. You can wear a beautiful outfit, but if your shoes are outdated, they quietly bring everything down. Worn-out flats, old-fashioned sandals, styles that no longer feel current. They make your entire look feel tired, even when the rest of your outfit is perfect. The solution is simple. Be intentional with your shoes. Clean, modern sneakers, chic loafers, minimal, elegant sandals. They don't have to be expensive. They just need to feel current, polished, and refined. Because the right shoes don't just complete your outfit, they elevate it. Let's be honest. We've all worn something that didn't quite fit right. Too tight, pulling in the wrong places, making you feel uncomfortable the entire day. Or too loose, hiding everything, making you feel like you disappeared inside your clothes. And in both cases, it doesn't just affect how you look. It affects how you feel. Because when your clothes don't fit right, your confidence doesn't show up either. The goal isn't smaller, and it isn't bigger. It's right. Clothes that skim your body, not squeeze it, not hide it. Just enough structure to support you, and enough ease to let you move freely. Because when something fits you perfectly, You don't just look better, you feel like yourself again. If this spoke to you, you don't need to hide it. You don't need to fight it. You just need to dress it with intention.